Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Candace. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 high-paying affiliate marketing networks. But before that, if you're new to the channel or happen to view this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Now, for the first platform, we're going to be looking at a platform called ClickBank. I'm sure you've heard about ClickBank as you were searching for different affiliate marketing programs. So on ClickBank, you're going to be promoting quality product. They're going to pay you in high commissions, and they are also reliable when it comes to payments. ClickBank has been around for more than 25 years. They also have over 100,000 affiliates all over the world. So these are the ways they're going to help you to earn on their platform. They've got different topics right here. You can simply come here and read on the different topics that they have. If you are someone that's looking to start an affiliate marketing career, or you are a beginner in the affiliate marketing industry, you can simply come and take their training to educate yourself more about affiliate marketing. They've got different categories that you can actually choose from. They've got self-development, e-business, home and garden, and also sports product that you can start promoting and getting commission. There are 2 ways in which you're going to get paid. You're going to either get paid in revenue sharing. So revenue sharing is when you get a percentage of each sale. Let's say, for example, you're going to promote a specific product and you're going to get 30% when you sell a product or when a product is being sold under your link. They also have cost per action, which is also known as CPA. So with CPA, you're going to get paid a set dollar amount. This is a fixed amount of dollar that you're going to get paid. Let's say, for example, you're promoting a product and they say you're going to get paid $30, $150, $300, and so on and so forth. You can simply come to the bottom of the page and read more about the platform. So for you to get started, you simply come to the top of the page to where it says start here, click here, and then you're going to be prompted. You are then going to be prompted to a page like this one. So on this page, they're going to ask you a couple of questions before you can start with your application process. So I'm going to go over the questions that I feel are more important. So for the first question, they're going to ask you, why do you want to be part of ClickBank? So for this video, you're going to select B, although there are different options that you can choose from, but we're talking about affiliate marketing. So you're going to select B. I want to promote ClickBank product as an affiliate, and then move on to the next question. So here they're going to ask you, do you currently have traffic or an audience to promote to? You're going to select A. Yes, I have a consistent traffic, because if you're going to select B, you are increasing your chances of not being accepted to the program. So you're going to select A and then move on to the next question. And then here they're going to ask you, how do you plan on generating traffic? You're going to select your different social media pages where you've got traffic, or social media pages that you're part of, and then move on to the next question. So this question is not really important. You can simply choose any option that you feel comfortable with, whether you're going to be using hosting, page builder, or funnel builder, or email marketing. You can select the one that you feel comfortable with. Or if you're going to be using none of this, you can simply select none and then move on to the next question. And then they're also going to ask you, how did you hear about ClickBank? You can simply type in Candace and then move on to the last question, where they're going to ask you to enter your email address. So you're going to enter your email address and then submit your application. They're going to reply you after 2 to 3 days to inform you about your application, of whether you are accepted or not. So moving on to the second platform. And for the next platform, we're going to be looking at a platform called Partnerstack. This is how their homepage looks like. You're going to explore and excel on this platform. You're going to be looking for your next opportunity to grow your business. Partnerstack mainly deals with softwares. They've got different softwares that you can start promoting. softwares for mainly accounting, e-commerce, human resource, marketing, productivity, sales, and social media niche. So on Partner Stack, you're going to get softwares that you can earn up to $1,000 per qualified customers. And also, as you can see on this one, you're also going to get $1,000 for every new paying customers. There are ones where you're going to get 30% on the first sale. There are ones where you're going to get 15 to 30% for every customer transaction for the first year. So you can simply come here and look at the different softwares that you can start promoting. For you to get started, you come here to where it says browse partner programs. They've got about 4 partner programs that you can join. They've got affiliate, referral, solutions, and also tech partnerships. But for this video, we're only going to be looking at affiliate. So for you to get started with the affiliate program, you come here to where it says learn more. Click there. You are then going to be prompted to a page like this one. They're going to explain more about affiliate program, but in simple terms, you're going to promote or recommend Partner Stack to your network by sharing your unique link. You're going to earn generous commission for the traffic you convert. You are then going to click here to where it says become an affiliate, and then it's going to direct you to here where it says apply now. Click there. You are then going to be prompted to a page like this one where you're going to start with the application process of becoming an affiliate. So you need to enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then you need to enter in your business name. But if you don't have a business, you can simply enter in the name that you use on the different social media platforms, and then you're going to enter in your website. If you don't have a website, you can enter in your LinkedIn address, or you can enter in your different social media link address right there, and then you're going to answer this question that says how are you looking to work with Partner Stack. You're obviously going to become an affiliate and promote Partner Stack products, and then you're going to click your application or submit your application. They're going to reply you after 3 to 4 working days. And for the last platform, we're going to be looking at a platform called Amazon Associate. Also on Amazon Associate, you're going to become an affiliate. You're going to promote different things that they have, different products that they have. And with Amazon, it is very broad because you can promote whichever product from whichever niche you are in. So here you're going to sign up. You're going to then recommend using your unique link, and then you're going to get up to 10% in commission. It's not limited to 10%. You can get all the way up to 50%. You can also get fixed amount in dollars. So you can simply check out the different offers that they have. So for you to get started, you simply come here to where it says recommend products and commission, sign up right there, and then it's going to prompt you to a page like this one. So here you need to come here to where it says create an account. Click there, and then it's going to prompt you to where you can create an account. So you need to enter in your first name, your email address, your password, re-enter your password, and create an account. But because I already have an account, it won't really take me to the next step. But they're going to ask you for your business name. You can enter in your social media name, and then they're also going to ask you for a website. If you don't have a website, you can simply enter your social media link where you've got the most traffic. So yes guys, you can get the link down on the description box, and like this video if you found value in it. Thank you for watching.